If you're ready to take the interior of your ride to the next level, you need to check out our XKmax Fiber Optic Kit. The XKmax Fiber Optic LED Kit is an easy way to give any car that modern, premium interior lighting look. It takes the darkness out of driving by adding slim, flexible strips that add seamless glow between your trim pieces of your dash and your doors. At just 1/16 of an inch thick and fully trimmable, the strips install cleanly into tight gaps and contours so the finished look feels factory, not aftermarket. Sure, newer cars may have fiber optic lighting, but what they don't have is XKmax. XKmax brings total control of these lights directly to your fingertips with our smartphone app. Thanks to its addressable LED technology, our XKmax system unlocks a wide range of advanced chasing patterns and animated lighting effects. Pick from over 28 preset color chasing themes, or jump into our DIY builder and create a light show that matches your car. You can even choose the color of these lights with your phone's camera, or sync them up with your music when showing off your sound system. Not an app person? We've got you covered. The included programmable RF key fob lets you save your favorite colors or modes to 4 buttons so you can switch the lights instantly without even pulling out your phone. All of the features of this kit are powered by our XKmax controller, which allows for a simple install that can fit in any interior. The kit comes with everything you need for the installation, plus a couple of trim tools to make it even easier. Just cut the fiber optic strips to length, stick them in place, and plug them into the XKmax controller, hook it up to the battery, and pair it to your phone, and you're glowing. So if you are ready to take your car to the next level, visit xkglow.com and grab the XKmax Fiber Optic Kit today.